Have you ever wondered what the future of the internet holds? With the rise of Web3 and AI, we're on the cusp of a revolution that will change the way we interact with the internet forever. But what if you could unlock the full potential of the internet with AI-driven Web3 integration? In this video, we'll explore the latest advancements in AI and Web3 and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to integrate these two technologies. From the basics of Web3 and AI to the most advanced applications, we'll cover it all. But first, let's talk about the current state of the internet. With the rise of centralized platforms, we've seen a decline in user privacy and an increase in censorship. But with Web3, we have the opportunity to create a decentralized internet that is free from these limitations. And with AI, we can take it to the next level by creating personalized experiences that are tailored to each individual user.
So, how do we integrate AI into Web3? It all starts with understanding the basics of both technologies. Web3 is a decentralized internet that uses blockchain technology to create a secure and transparent network. AI, on the other hand, is a technology that enables machines to learn and make decisions on their own. By combining these two technologies, we can create a decentralized internet that is powered by AI. One of the key benefits of AI-driven Web3 integration is the ability to create personalized experiences for users. With AI, we can analyze user behavior and create customized recommendations that are tailored to each individual user. This can be applied to a wide range of applications, from e-commerce to social media.
But as with any new technology, there are also controversies surrounding AI-driven Web3 integration. One of the main concerns is the potential for AI to displace human jobs. With the rise of automation, we've seen a decline in employment opportunities in certain industries. And with AI-driven Web3 integration, we may see even more jobs being displaced. Another concern is the potential for AI to exacerbate existing social inequalities. With the rise of AI, we've seen a widening gap between those who have access to AI technology and those who do not. And with AI-driven Web3 integration, we may see even more disparities in the future.
So, what does the future hold for AI-driven Web3 integration? As we move forward, we can expect to see even more advancements in AI and Web3. With the rise of quantum computing, we may see even more powerful AI systems that can process vast amounts of data in real time. And with the development of new blockchain technologies, we may see even more secure and transparent networks. One of the key applications of AI-driven Web3 integration is in the field of healthcare. With the rise of AI, we've seen a significant improvement in medical diagnosis and treatment. And with AI-driven Web3 integration, we may see even more personalized healthcare experiences that are tailored to each individual patient.
So, what can you do to get started with AI-driven Web3 integration? First, you'll need to learn the basics of both AI and Web3. There are many online courses and tutorials that can help you get started. Once you have a solid understanding of the technologies, you can start experimenting with different applications and use cases. And finally, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and Web3. We'll be covering the latest advancements and applications in these fields, and we don't want you to miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.